Hello everyone and welcome back to the video. In this video, let me show you a coupon that is currently working and will work for you to get off $100 off from your current basket in Temu. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever we upload a new video. Now go ahead and stick until the very end so that you don't miss a single detail. Now what we're going to be doing is go right on ahead and add something in your cart. Say for example, I want to take a look at this new jeans right here, so I'm going to be adding this to cart. And then let's take a look at some other things right now. Say toys right here. Let's take a look at this anime model right here. So go right on ahead and add that. Let's take a look at some more. So let's take a look at some jewelry. Say we'll be adding in this buckle belt right here. Now let's go back. Let's take a look at some electronics as well. So we have some keyboard right here. So let's go ahead and add to cart. Let's take a look at this Nintendo Switch right here. So let's add that to cart as well. Now let's go to our cart. So as you can see, we have all of this right here, and it counts to around about 384 and 95 cents. Now if we go right on ahead and click on checkout right here, and then as you can see, when we scroll down, there is this section right here which we can apply a coupon right here. Now let me show you a website that we can use to take a look at a current working promo code. So what we will be looking at is this website called coupontree.org. So just go right ahead and type in coupontree.org, and then you can see all of these different deals in this website. Now let's go ahead and search for Temu right here, and then as you can see, it is right here, which is the $100 coupon code. Now let's go ahead and click on this. And then as you can see, we have a couple of offers available. The one that we're going to be looking at is this one. So $100 off your next checkout with Temu. So let's go ahead and click on this and then unlock code. Now it will then generate the code for you. And this is specific for individual people. So you will need to create your own code. Now once that you have unlocked that code, you can go right on ahead and go back to your phone and then apply the coupon code right here. And then this will knock off more prices, so this will become even less for you. Well, that's it for the video. Hope to see you guys next time.